Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to rename the network card on your Windows 11 computer guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Open it guys. On left side you need to select network and internet. On right side you need to select advanced network settings. View all network adapters, network reset, select it. And select network adapters and you just need to down arrow it and select rename this adapter. I already changed the name guys in my channel name. You can able to change this. Click rename and change this name whatever you want it and select save, and that's it guys. That will be changed over here. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.